still can't believe these were 90% off at American Apparel. $3 for 2 shirts, and one of them's a sweater. Sorry, I have the hiccups. So I got these Spectro LED lights with my money from YouTube Next Up. The only problem with them is that they're so, sorry the hiccups, they are so strong that I need to just angle them up to the ceiling and have it like bounce off the ceiling to diffuse the light. So if anybody knows what is a good, these hiccups, what is a good gel for the light, or how can I diffuse it? What's a good way? If you have any idea, if you've worked with LED lights before, please let me know down below in the comments. So right now I'm just working on the finishing touches for today's vlog upload. So I'm trying to get the thumbnail together and I'm trying to figure everything out, and then I'm going to do a live stream on my main channel in order to announce it. And then I have to get prepared because tonight I'm actually helping a film student to film a comedy sketch. So I'm going to be acting in that. Of course, already there's a hater. There you go. Oh well, thanks for the engagement, because it still counts as a positive for my video anyway, so yay! I'm vlogging with my camera, my T6i actually, and so we're opening it live from the Villas channel. Da 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 da! Woo! It told me to open it live while vlogging, so I'm doing that. So they gave me a fake gold play button that says congratulations for surpassing the Villas channel. I'm their best subscriber apparently. Thank you. And then they sent me a card. So here's the sticker. That's amazing. I'm starving and it is time to go with my mom to the supermarket. Vegan mayonnaise, so I'm gonna pick this stuff up. Oh my god, yes! Oh my god, yes, this is my favorite kimchi. It is so good! I also got this Kevita cleansing probiotic. Was it tonic? I don't know. It's apple cider vinegar tonic, and it's chili ginger lime is the flavor. Ooh. Wow, that hits you. Now I have to learn my lines for the comedy sketch we're shooting tonight. Yes, it took me a while, but I got my new channel art. Oh my god, I'm still hiccuping. just did your comedy sketch. How many days ago was that?
Last week.
Last week, yeah. And while I was filming your sketch, I met Erickson, and they are both in the same class. Is that what's going on?
Now you're just in the loop. You're like in film school with us.
I'm in film school with you. There you go, and I didn't even have to pay for it. Hi.
I'm John.
Hi, John. I like your beard.
Thank you. Nice
Fabulous. Nice to meet you as well. How is everybody? Everybody good? You are looking so distrustful right now. And there's Erickson. He's filming the video. What?
Hello.
All right, we're about to film. Here's a fellow actor. She's playing my sister.
You turn it off.
She's not looking. I'm just playing a character who's been sitting around eating ice cream, watching rom-coms, feeling sad all day.
That's funny.
You know, I was just fired from Walmart. Very typical casting for me. I'm so tired. And we're still filming. Yeah, we're wrapped! And I stuck gross pizza in my mouth. That's right, I've defiled my mouth for this shoot. You all should be very proud. It's going in the vlog.
Man, they only gave me one box. They were both in one box.
Alright, I finally made it home. My hiccups are back. And it's time to edit this vlog and get to bed so that I can live again tomorrow. I'll see you all tomorrow. Click like and subscribe. Bye!